Welcome to the sharing from Yijing Hardware Company about how to process wood with CNC machine. This video will introduce the material, use, and the process of processing wood through CNC machine in detail. They come in different colors, properties, and uses. Wood is generally used in furniture and crafts. With the development of the times and market demand, wood products are becoming diversified. Now, wood has been widely used in musical instruments, Bluetooth audio, phone cases, golf clubs, keyboard, mouse, etc. Here is the production workshop. We will complete the first process. This wood raw material will be put into production. Workers are trimming wood raw materials. All wood products need trimming of the wood raw material before production processing, so that the installation and positioning in formal production. The trimmed wood materials will be processed by CNC machine. Remove sharp edges to assemble or polished. The following is an introduction to the milling cutters, commonly used in woodworking. Flat end milling cutter. It is a flat cutter head, which is suitable for cutting the surface of wood, making it more flat and smooth. Spherical milling cutter is used to process details such as corners, arc trimming, and carving of wood. T-shaped knife. It is a milling cutter with a T-shaped cutter head. This cutter head will be used in conjunction with other tools, such as working with turntable machine tools. This can meet the requirements of complex modeling and fine carving. Countersunk drill. It can process 2 holes at one time. This drill is usually used for installing screws. In production, we will select the appropriate machine tool model and specification according to the drawing structure. All of this, flat end milling cutter is one of the most common milling cutters in processing. In addition, if the part is special, we will customize a special milling cutter according to the part, which is called form milling cutter. Here are some cases we have done to show the finished products.